G Nursery class. Assalamu alaikum. Your teacher Faiza is here with you with the Excel book nursery class. So kindly open the page number 3030. Okay, today we will do the page number 3030. First, this is your homework. Nursery class, write down the date on the top of the page. Nursery class, today date is 1616 1010 2020. And write down here homework H dot W. Okay, nursery class. Now you have to match with the same letter. Match the picture with the same letter. They have done the one example for you, nursery. Now put the finger on Q, K. Okay, nursery class. Q, K. What is this, nursery class? Orange. Orange start from Q? No. Yes, that is why they put a cross. The queen starts from Q, K. So we will circle queen. Excellent. Very good. Now, nursery class, quickly put the finger on R. Now look at the picture. One picture is right and one picture is wrong. G. One picture is right and one picture is wrong. What is this, nursery? Moon. So moon start with R? No. So quickly put a cross. And what is this? Ring. See, the teacher is wearing a ring. R, ring. So the ring starts from R. So quickly put a circle on R. Okay, nursery class? Come to the S. What is this, nursery class? Socks. Yes, the first picture is right. The sock starts from S. So quickly circle the socks and cross the house. Okay. What is this, nursery class? Teeter. What is this, nursery? Horse. Horse is not start from T. Yes, I know that. So kindly put cross on that. And yes, this is a beautiful tree. Teeter tree. Teeter tree. So quickly circle tree, nursery. Okay. Now come to the U. Yes, what is in the first picture? Yes, this is U, umbrella. Read it. U, umbrella. Quickly circle, nursery class. U, umbrella. And cross the elephant. Now come to R. R, robot. Wow, I love robots, nursery. Quickly circle robot and put a cross on needle. Yes, this is teeter. Teeter. Oh, what is this? Kangaroo. Yes, kangaroo is not starts from teeter. So we will put a cross on it. What is this? Yes, this is a telephone. And telephone starts from teeter. Teeter, telephone. So teacher is putting a circle on it. Yes, this is Q. What is this, nursery? Yes, this is a question mark. Question mark. So we will circle the question mark, nursery class. And we will put a cross. G. What is this? U. What is this? U. What is in the first picture? Yes, these are undergarments, nursery class. So we will circle this. And this is door. So we will put a cross on it. Come down. What is this? S. And oh, this is a duck. Duck is not start from SR. So quickly put a circle. Nursery, you are doing very well. And what is this? Yummy sandwich. Wow, S sandwich. Quickly put a circle on it, nursery. Wow. Quickly come on the next page, nursery class, and put a finger on Weaver. Weaver, violin. Wow, Weaver, violin. Quickly circle it, nursery, and put a cross on apple. What is this? This is W. W. And what is this? Balloon. Oh, balloon is not start from WR. So why don't we put a cross? And what is this? Window. W window. Nursery, do you have a window in your house? Yes. Watch the window and do tell me how many windows your home has. Quickly circle the window. Come down. Wire. Wire. Oh, this is a dog. Dog is not start from wire. Then put a cross. And what is this? Yo-yo. Nursery, you have yo-yo in your home? I love to play with yo-yo, nursery. So I circle it. What is this? Ziza. Ziza. Zip. Ziza. Zip. Nursery class, quickly circle the zip and put a cross on egg. So what is this, nursery class? W. What is this? W. W. Well. You know, we take out water from the well, nursery class. You watch in the dramas and in cartoons movie, well, we get water from the well. So circle the well, nursery class, and put a cross on it. Come here. Wow, what is this? Z. Oh, this is a cute fish, nursery. But fish is not start from Z. So put a cross on a cute fish. And what is this? Zebra. Z is a zebra. Then circle the zebra, nursery. And what is this? S. 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 Sun. S. Sun. Circle the sun, nursery class, and put a cross on a donkey. G, nursery class. What is the next word? Weaver. And what is the picture? Helicopter. Wow, but the helicopter is not start from V. Uh-oh. Then put a cross. What is this? Was. Weaver. Was. We put a flower in this was, nursery class. So circle the was. What is this? W. Watch. Wow. W. Watch. Circle the watch, nursery class, and put a cross on the jug. Now last word, nursery class. X the loin? No. Cross. X the X-ray. X the X-ray. So put a circle on X-ray. Now nursery class, what you have to do? You have to color only on those pictures that we have circled. Please don't color in the cross pictures, okay? And then I will give you a big star, nursery class. When you come to school on Monday, inshallah, do your homework. Okay, nursery. Allah Hafiz.